Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, Moto Spectrum. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button because we bring you deep dives, raw opinions, and real performance reviews on the most exciting machines on wheels. And today, we've got something that blends history with the future. Say hello to the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona EV. Yes, it's electric. Yes, it's a muscle car. And yes, it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi film. But is this the future of muscle? Or just another EV with a famous badge slapped on it? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the design is pure intimidation. The 2025 Daytona EV doesn't just look like a muscle car, it looks like a muscle car that was engineered in a wind tunnel by Darth Vader himself. Check this out. The front end features Dodge's patented R-Wing, a functional aerodynamic front wing that channels air through the nose. It's aggressive, unique, and it pays homage to the original 1969 Charger Daytona, one of the most iconic NASCAR beasts ever made. LED lighting up front gives it that modern EV flair, but the 21-inch wheels and wide stance scream old-school muscle. The sculpted sides, the fastback roofline, it all looks purposeful, like it's ready to launch at any moment. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that's part fighter jet, part sci-fi command center. Dodge didn't just throw in a screen and call it a day. The 2025 Daytona EV features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 16-inch center display. And it's all housed in an angled dash that wraps around you like a cockpit. There's a retro-inspired pistol grip shifter in the center. Yes, they brought it back. You've got EV-specific telemetry, drive mode customization, and, get this, feature called Fratsonic Chambered Exhaust. We'll talk more about that later, but in simple terms, this car can make noise on purpose. Ambient lighting runs across the dash, and these sports seats hold you in tight. Everything feels premium. Dodge has clearly stepped up their game. This isn't just functional. It's futuristic with flair. Now, let's talk numbers. Because this is where the Charger Daytona EV punches the competition right in the face. Tauri base model is impressive, but let's jump straight to the beast. The Daytona SRT Banshee variant. This version packs an 800-volt architecture and dual electric motors. Translation? Over 800 horsepower, AWD, and 0 to 60 in just 2.0 seconds. Yeah, that fast. There's instant torque, all-wheel grip, and an active suspension system that adapts on the fly. The power delivery is savage. No gears to shift, no turbo lag, just immediate thrust. Dodge calls it e-muscle, and they're not kidding. There's even a donut mode that lets you do controlled burnouts, because muscle car spirit isn't dead, it's just gone electric. All right, let's address the elephant in the room, the sound. Muscle cars are about feel, and sound is half the experience. Dodge knows this. The 2025 Daytona EV features the Fratsonic Chambered Exhaust. It's not just speakers. It's a real multi-stage acoustic chamber system that creates a mechanical-sounding growl. And it's loud, up to 126 decibels. That's the same as a Hellcat. It's not a V8, no, but it's also not quiet. And that alone separates the Daytona from other EVs. You feel it in your chest. Dodge made sure of that. Performance is great, but can you actually live with this car? Surprisingly, yes. Range is estimated between 350–400 miles, depending on the trim. The 800V architecture means ultra-fast charging, up to 150 miles in 10 minutes with a high-speed DC charger. You've got a usable back seat, solid cargo space, and creature comforts like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a full suite of ADAS systems. In daily driving, it's smooth, quiet when you want it, and crazy fast when you need it. It's a split personality, and I like it. So how does the Daytona stack up against rivals? It's not trying to be a Tesla. It's not luxury-focused like a Lucid. It's raw, it's loud, it's unapologetically American. The Model S Plaid may be quicker in a straight line, but the Charger has attitude. The Mach-E GT? It's fun, but it doesn't punch you in the gut. The Charger Daytona is about emotion, and that's something a lot of EVs have missed. What I admire is Dodge didn't play it safe. They could have just retired the Charger and made an SUV, but instead,